Hey everyone, Heath Gascoigne here, and welcome to the Agile Transformation Accelerator Program. Congratulations on making the excellent decision in investing in this program and investing in yourself. I can't wait to start working with you over the next 6 weeks and really help you with your business transformation. This course is for those who want to transform their business or their client's business and assume the role of Business Transformator. A Business Transformator is part strategist, part designer, part collaborator, and part negotiator, who's moved beyond just design and includes oversight of implementation, stakeholder management, coordination, and negotiation. In this course, you will learn how, as a business transformator, to use HOBA in your organization or your client's organization, and how HOBA's business-led approach drives the transformation from not only the business-led approach, but literally puts the business back into control and out of the hands of technology. This course also discusses using HOBA from the strategic level in your organization down to operations and implementation where changes actually take place. This program is for two types of people. The first type of people are the ones who know nothing about business transformation, nothing about change management or project management, and they're really starting from a blank page. If that's you, this training program is going to show you step by step how to start your business transformation journey, how to get not just you, but your project, program, and even organization clear on what is required and only what is required to transform your business, avoiding chasing mirages or the next best thing or latest fad, saving you endless time and money, not to mention frustration, and how to take advantage of opportunities and not to miss them like 70% that currently fail transforming their or their client's business. The second type of person that this program is for is those with existing business transformation experience, either as a consultant, a consultancy, or a coaching business. If that's you, this program is going to show you how to really systemize things, how to make things more predictable, and really take things up to the next level. So if you're in any of these categories, you're in the right place. This training program is going to show you everything you need to achieve those goals. I really just wanted to record this quick video to personally welcome you to this program and to tell you you've made amazing decision investing in yourself through this program. Since I published HOBA and been using myself and training others in some of the largest business transformation projects in the UK for over 10 years and publishing it for the first time in my book, the Business Transformation Playbook, that reached bestseller in 6 categories on Amazon, including project management and consulting, and is sold in over 13 countries around the world. I've taken this program from a real life experience as someone who does business transformation as a living. What I've done is I've looked at this program, I've looked at that experience, I've really studied it, analyzed it, and really extracted the key processes and key points that you have to achieve in a sequential process to transform your business. What you'll be able to see is to the left or the right of me, there's a grey button. If you click that button, you'll be able to see how I've categorized this program. There is the welcome week, which is the week you're in right now. Then it goes from week 1 all the way to week 6, and bonus week. We've given you a bonus week as a gift, a couple of extra tools to help you get started and get some momentum fast. What will happen is each week we're going to release to you a new week of content. So right now, if you've just joined the program, you're going to have access to the welcome week and you're going to have access to week 1. I've aligned weeks 1 to 6 to steps 1 to 6 of the design process that implements HOBA, so you can follow along with the Business Transformation Playbook as you work through the program. The Welcome Week is going to show you exactly how this program works, how to join the community, how to go on the Q&A calls, goal setting, HOBA, and the design process. I recommend that you go through all the videos in this Welcome Week and understand how the system works so you can get the most out of it and get the best results possible. We do this for a few reasons. The first is so you don't get overwhelmed. It also forces you to follow the process in a sequential order. If you were to just jump right into designing your target operating model on week 6 without getting the foundations of your business right, the design will probably not address the issues it needs to, nor will you have brought your company or your client along the journey with you that you will struggle to get it supported. Or if you jump right into implementation before you had agreed your design and what your changes are, what are you going to implement? Before we jump right in, there is one principle I want you to keep in mind and adopt, and it's real simple. To be agile in business transformation and agile in this program means one thing: done is better than perfect. What does that mean? What that means is exactly that. Done is better than perfect. It's a state of mind that you have to adopt to stop getting stuck in the perfectionist mindset, because first of all, it's a killer, and second, perfection doesn't exist. It's an illusion. What does exist is value, and the only way you realize value isn't from the hard work you do behind the scenes. It's getting out in front of your customer as fast as you can to get feedback to iterate. After all, that is what being agile is all about. I know when you learn something for the first time, you want to learn it fully and then implement it. That's a fallacy. Look at business transformations. Up until HOBA, the Business Transformation Playbook, and this course, business transformations had a 70% failure rate. Why? Because the method they used was broken, mostly spending countless time, effort, and money perfecting a target operating model, hiding behind closed doors, away from the customer, away from the business. Meanwhile, no engagement or communication or very little with the business, to appear weeks later after one or two initial scoping meetings to present their designs, only to realize the market had moved. Their designs, while impressive and very pretty because they just spent weeks and months working on them, perfecting them, are useless. By sheer ego in most cases, push on their original designs as not to lose face and attempt to prove I was always right. But sadly, the longer they spent working on it, the further off track it got, wasting everyone's time, including yours. So the first and only principle I implore you is your mindset. If you want to be agile, you have to act agile. But to act agile, you first need to think agile. And the first step is to adopt the principle that keeps you agile. And that is, done is better than perfect. I know you're not really here to listen to my voice. Who wants to listen to my voice all day? And I know that. The real reason you're in this program is because you want to get results and you want to get clients and you probably want to make some money and make a change in your life. If you want that change and you want those results, then it's important that you do the work. What I mean by that is this is an application program. This is not a knowledge program where you just acquire knowledge. This is an application program where you must apply the knowledge. How you apply the knowledge is you take action. And to make sure you take action, we've included quizzes in each lesson and action lists at the end of each week so you can mark off what you have done. This keeps you accountable to yourself, that you do what you say you will do, but also trains the muscle of being accountable, like you will ask of your team and your team will ask of you. We will go into detail in how this program works lesson. So that's really it for this first video here. I just wanted to personally welcome you to the program. I wanted to tell you that you've made an amazing decision investing in yourself through this program, and I can't wait to work with you over the next 6 weeks and really help you transform your business. What I want you to do right now is I want you to go to the next lesson in the welcome week, which is going to show you exactly how this program works and how to get the most out of it. See you there.